Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to remove Capcut Watermark in template. So first thing to do is to open Capcut and start a new project. Now we choose a video, can be any video from your gallery, and go all the way to the end. Here you can see Capcut automatically adds a watermark at the end of the video, or an ending if you like. So to delete it, all you have to do is to tap on it and click delete. This is how you remove Capcut watermark in template. But what if you don't want to keep having to remove this ending in every new project you create? Well, for this, what you have to do is go back to home. First, we're going to delete this video we created. Now, at the top right corner, you can see a button with a bold form. You click on it, and now you're going to see it says Add Default Ending with a toggle button. You are going to click on that toggle button, and now you're going to click on discard. This is going to prevent Capcut to keep adding its watermark at the end of your videos. Now let's take a look if it worked. We add a video from our gallery, a new project, and we go all the way to the end. As you can see, Capcut this time didn't add its watermark at the end of the video. So this is how you can remove Capcut watermark in template, and how you can stop Capcut from adding its watermark in every new project you create. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. If it was, please subscribe.